Absolutely, we're sticking to the growth plan and we're going to help people with energy bills. That's my two top priorities.
As I've said, it was very, very important that we took urgent steps to deal with the costs that families are facing this winter, making sure that we are not raising taxes at a time when there are global economic forces caused by the war in Ukraine that we need to deal with.
Prime Minister, are we borrowing our way out of trouble?
We were focused on delivering the growth plan. There's a lot of good stuff in the growth plan. And what was clear, talking to lots of people up and down the country, talking to MPs, talking to voters, talking to our constituents, was that the 45p rate was simply a distraction on what was a good set of packages, a good set of policies and a strong package.